In this video, I will show you how to join 2 pieces of crochet using the whip stitch technique. Today I'll be using Wool and the Gang's Tina tape yarn in hot pink and True Blood red. We'll be joining these 2 edges. First, you need to place the 2 crochet pieces on top of each other with the right sides together. Then, you thread your sewing needle with a strand of yarn and secure it to the wrong side of the fabric with a few small stitches. To start joining the pieces, first insert your sewing needle through the first stitch of your top piece. Push it through both pieces so it comes out on the wrong side of the bottom piece. As you see, you start getting a wrap forming around the stitches. So we're going to do that again for the next stitch. So that's going from the wrong side of the first piece, through your edge stitch, and then out on the wrong side of the second piece. I'm going to keep joining the stitches in this way until the end of my seam. So once you get to the end of your seam, you can open your pieces out and you can see the really neat stitches on the right side. And there you go, that's how you use whip stitch to join 2 pieces of crochet. Thanks for watching.